Hi, you probably know me. If not, my name's Dalmayne. I'm an autism rights advocate. I'm autistic myself. I've been campaigning against something called MMS, which is Miracle Mineral Solution. It's made from CD, chlorine dioxide bleach. A woman called Kerri Rivera has written a book called Healing the Symptoms Known as Autism. In it, she recommends a protocol whereby you use chlorine dioxide bleach in enemas and oral solutions on autistic children to kill the parasites that are causing their autism. What's coming out of the children is actually bowel lining. Alright, I should have said a trigger warning before that, but I'm just quite angry right now. What this says is, I finally got the thing I think has been breaking off in red pieces. Anybody have an idea what it is? This little one is on 35 drops. Alright, so that. Oh, and they use a penny to show the thickness of the bowel lining. They also measure it and write notes to it. And they name it as well. This woman actually has named hers Mr. K and Pepper. This one says, "Dear parasite, she will no longer suck the life out of my daughter, drain her energy, suck her nutrients, or rob us of our joy. I will be sure that you little bastards never win." That child is age 11. Can you see that? It's written backwards, but age 11, just there. Age 11. Alright, and then we've got this delightful woman. I don't actually care that her name is on the damn post at all. I found her in a group and reported her in America. That's her son's bowel lining. Her adult son's bowel lining. And her name is Fiona Yee. And she says, it broken into half when Jojo trying to escape. Can you see that? It broken into half when Jojo was trying to escape. I managed to get him removed from her care. It's what I do. I report parents that are abusing their children. Oh, here's a great one. Our very first catch after everyday enema. What are these creatures? 2.5 years old. A little boy. 11 drops, aiming for 13. No parasite protocols as yet. Alright, more bowel lining. Now these are from a group called CD Autism. Alright, it's Kerri Rivera's group. I'm doing this video today because I found out she got married 20 hours ago. She got married in a very lavish dress, which was funded by this, alright, which was funded by autistic children and vulnerable adults getting this done to them. Okay, she married the doctor that she left her husband for, the doctor that was helping her treat her child, her autistic son, who, guess what, is still autistic. She has tried everything on this poor kid. She's tried MMS, she's tried GC-MEF, chelation, stem cell, more than likely. I'm not sure about that one, don't quote me on stem cell. She's tried everything else. H-spot, you know, shove him in an oxygen tank. Let's hope for the best. We've seen many parasites since we started the protocol. Usually they are over 1 foot long and max of 1/2 inch wide. However, tonight we got a monster. It was over 1 inch wide. Unbelievable. That's a nappy it's on, by the way, with a fork to show how thick it is. The kids, obviously, if they're ingesting chlorine dioxide, which is 520 times the dose it's meant to be given to anybody. It's not actually meant to be given, it's meant to be, you know, it's a water purification agent, but 1 drop is 520 times what the human body is meant to have. These people are going up to 20, 25 drops in a dose, which is given every hour in 8 ounces of purified water. That's skin breakout. There's blisters in the mouth. But she would get, you know, these kids are made to inhale it. It's poured into their baths. It's made out of sprays. It's shoved up their bums in enema tubes. You've got to go through the sexual element of that, holding down the child and penetrating them with something. There's social stories in that group. You know, how to persuade your child. You know, offer them a treat. There's everything, you know, everything you can think of to persuade a child to have something put inside them. I'm just disgusted. I'm sorry. I'm just disgusted that this woman, she's not a woman. A woman to me is someone who's strong, brave, courageous, maternal, loving, kind, giving, she's not a woman. I don't know what she is. I think it would be an insult to the devil to call her a devil. I just hope if she sees this, I want her to know that I hope she never has a day's happiness in that marriage. Because the things that she's advising to do to children, let's just look at that again. 2.5 years old. Yeah? His mother sat him on the toilet with a colander underneath him, that's a sieve, to catch that, to put it on social media, to show that she's a warrior against autism. This is an autism mum who's a warrior here. Makes me fucking sick. So, Kerri Rivera, if you see this, which I'm sure you will, you know who I am. It's fuck you from the autism community, basically. That's me done.